Hello and welcome to our class, Computer Programming 2. Now we're on the third and fourth week of our prefinals, and we're discussing regular expressions. Regular expressions, a character or a sequence of characters that represent a string or multiple strings, also known as regex, part of the Java.utility regex package, allows for quicker, easier searching, parsing, and replacing of characters in a string. The matches method from the string class returns true if a string matches the given regular expression. Similar to the equals method, comparing a string to a regular expression allows variability. Matches versus equals method, for example, you are to write code that returns true if the string named animal is cat or dog and returns false otherwise. The equals method compares one string to another by comparing a single argument. The program provided is a simple conditional statement in Java that checks if the variable animal is equal to either cat or dog and returns a Boolean value accordingly. Here's a breakdown of the program. The program takes a variable animal as input. It first checks if animal is equal to the string cat using the equals method. If it is, the program immediately returns true, indicating that the animal is a cat. If the first condition is not met, the program proceeds to the next condition. It checks if animal is equal to the string dog. If it is, the program again returns true, indicating that the animal is a dog. If neither of the previous conditions is satisfied, the program reaches the return false statement, which means that the variable animal does not match either cat or dog. Therefore, the program returns false, indicating that the animal is neither a cat nor a dog. In summary, the program determines whether the input animal is either a cat or a dog and returns true in those cases, or false if it is any other animal. The matches method allows you to determine what the string should match against and allows you to specify multiple values. The matches method allows much more flexibility in your code. Return animal.matches, cat dog. The regular expression symbol allows for the method matches to check if animal is equal to cat or dog and return true accordingly. Square brackets, used in regular expressions to allow for character variability. For example, you wanted to return true if animal is equal to dog or dog, but not dog. Using equals ignore case would not work, and using equals would take multiple lines. Return animal.matches, cc, at, dd, og. Square brackets are not restricted to two-character options. They can be combined with a hyphen to include any range of characters. For example, you want to check if a string word rhymes with cat. The code shall return true if a word begins with any lowercase letter and ends in cat. The program you provided is a simple conditional statement written in Java. Here's a brief explanation of how it works. The program checks the length of the input word using the length method. If the length of the word is equal to 3, the program proceeds to the next step. Otherwise, it skips the inner conditional statement and returns false. Inside the inner conditional statement, the program uses the substring method to extract a portion of the word starting from index 1, inclusive, up to index 3, exclusive. It then checks if this extracted substring is equal to the string at using the equals method. If the extracted substring is indeed equal to at, the inner conditional statement evaluates to true, and the program returns true, indicating that the word satisfies both conditions. If either the length of the word is not 3 or the extracted substring is not equal to at, the inner conditional statement evaluates to false, and the program proceeds to the next line. Finally, outside the inner conditional statement, the program returns false, indicating that the word does not satisfy the conditions. To summarize, the program returns true if the word has a length of 3 and the substring starting from the second character is equal to at. Otherwise, it returns false. Using square brackets and hyphen, a shorter, more generic way to complete the same task is to use square brackets and a hyphen. Regular expression, return word.matches, az, at, to include uppercase characters, right, return word.matches, az, at, at. Everything inside of the square brackets defines exactly how the first character can be represented. Return word.matches, 0-98, ca, z, bcde. The dot, the wildcard operator that represents any single character in regular expressions. For example, you are to write code that checks if a string element consists of a number followed by any other single character. Return element dot matches 0 to 9. Repetition operators, asterisk, 0 or more occurrences, returns true if str consists of 0 or more a's but no other letter, question mark, 0, 1 or 1 occurrences, returns true if str is none or a, plus sign, 1 or more occurrences, returns true if str is 1 or more a's in a sequence, x occurrences, returns true if str is a sequence of 7 a's, x, y, between x, y occurrences, returns true if str is a sequence of 7, 8, or 9 a's, x, between x or more occurrences. Returns true if str is a sequence of 5 or more a's. Regular expressions allow for very powerful validation of strings without having to write much code. Return street matches means any number of any characters in a sequence will return true. All symbols of regular expressions may be combined with each other. Return street matches. 0 to 5, 10. Pattern stores the format of the regular expression. Pattern p equals pattern.compile. AF 5 compile compiles the given regular expression into a pattern. Matcher stores a possible match between a pattern and a string. Matcher matches equals pattern name.matcher. String name matches checks if the regular expression given in the pattern declaration matches a given string. Return match.matches. Find method scans the input sequence looking for the next subsequence that matches the pattern in the given program. Pattern object p is created using the pattern.compile method. The pattern 0 to 9 represents a regular expression that matches any single digit between 0 and 9. Then, a string str is defined as _0 road. A matcher object match is created using the pattern object p and the matcher method. The matcher object match is used to find occurrences of the pattern within the string street. The find method is called on the matcher object match. It searches for the next occurrence of the pattern in the input string. If it finds a match, it returns true, otherwise, it returns false. In this case, the pattern 0 to 9 matches the digit 0 in the string _0 road. Hence, match.find returns true, and the program prints true to the console. Split splits the string around matches of the given regular expression in the given program. A string phone is defined as 9919786452. The split method is called on the string phone, using the argument dash as the delimiter. This means that the string will be split into substrings whenever the delimiter dash is encountered. The result of the split method is an array of strings, named tokens, where each element of the array represents a substring obtained by splitting the original string based on the delimiter. In the for each loop, each element t of the tokens array is printed using the system.out.println method. When the program is executed, the output will be, this is because the string 9919786452 is split at each occurrence of the delimiter dash, resulting in 3 substrings, 991, 978, and 6452. The for each loop then iterates over these substrings and prints each of them on a separate line. Replace all replaces all the occurrences of the defined regular expression found in the string with another string. In the given program, a string str is defined as help tmet have no idea what's going on. The string contains multiple consecutive spaces and tabs. The replace all method is called on the string str using the regular expression pattern 2 and the replacement string. The regular expression pattern 2 matches 2 or more consecutive spaces. The replace all method replaces all occurrences of the matched pattern with a single space, effectively removing the consecutive spaces and tabs. After the replace all operation, the modified string is assigned back to the variable str. The system.out.println method is called to print the modified string. When the program is executed, the output will be, help me I have no idea what's going on. This is because the replace all method replaces the consecutive spaces and tabs with a single space, resulting in a string without multiple consecutive whitespace characters.